Hello and welcome to this ReportBox tutorial video hosted by Adam Pearce of Strawberry 7. In this video I'll be showing you how to use version 2 of the ReportBox system. If you have version 1, then you can view the same tutorial video, but for version 1 just here. So to start with, we open a browser and go to reportbox.com. Once at reportbox.com, we simply log in. Your email address will be the LGFL email address that you usually use, and your password will be the password that you selected when you signed up and received an activation email. If you haven't received an activation email yet, just send an email to support@strawberry7.com and we'll be able to get an activation email sent out to you to pick your password. So once you've logged in, the system should automatically take you to your class. For the purposes of this video, I've created an example class here, which is a Year 6 class. I've also created some example pupils, which you'll see in a moment. So from here you see a summary page with percentages for how complete your reports are. So what this relates to is, for each subject, this is how a percentage of the pupils in your class that you've completed for each section. So for example, if you had 10 pupils here and you'd completed the summary section for 2 pupils, this would read 20%. If you go to pupils, you can see the same type of breakdown but for the pupils rather than the subjects. So this is really handy for one particular pupil to identify how far along, or in this section here, any subject areas which you haven't completed or have completed for that particular pupil. So these two views give you a very granular idea of where you need to fill comments in, or which pupils you need to complete the reports for. So we'll just pop back to subjects here, and the next section that we're going to go to is the comment bank. So the comment bank is a storage place of all of the comments which you're going to use for your report. And this is the real power of ReportBox, is the fact that you can, rather than having to enter every single comment from scratch, you can pick comments from a comment bank, and areas such as first name and gender assignment will automatically be taken care of for you. Your comment bank might be a little bit empty to begin with, but that's not a problem. We'll just go to maths here. Now there are some comments here from the comment bank which I've already pre-filled in. As you can see here, they're higher, middle, lower. So if you wanted to create your own custom comment, that's no problem. You click create new comment, you select which ability the comment relates to, and then you would fill in the details here and write your comment. And you can use the tag for first name here, which will then automatically fill in the pupil's first name when you're relating this comment to that pupil. So if we go out of here, and rather than creating a custom comment from scratch, we want to use one that is already available, then we just go to choose the group, Year 6, and then we'll choose maths. And what this will do is this will show us the comments which are within our school, in this case Alexandra Primary School, and available for us to add to our comment bank. Now this can take a little while to populate depending on how many comments are available in the comment bank, but we'll just give this a moment to load up. And what we'll see here is all of the different comments, similar to how they are above here, with the different abilities grouped into the different abilities. And if we want to add one of the comments here, just say we'll wait. If we want to add one of the comments from this bank, then we can simply click on the comment, and it will copy it into our comment bank. So there we go. So that's loaded. Like I said, it did take a little while to load that page. So we can simply click on one of these comments, and you'll see that it will say copied, and it will be in a moment available in our comment bank in the upper area. The other thing that we can do is actually retrieve comments from other schools as well, and that works in much similar way, where we would go into this section, choose a group, choose a subject, and then just choose a level, and this will load comments from other schools. Again, it can take a while to load the comment bank depending on how many there are, and it'd be the same principle. You would just click to copy any of those to your existing comment bank. So how do we actually use these comments? Well, that's in the next section here where we write our reports. So now that we've kind of picked a whole load of comments for each subject that we like the look of, go to Write Reports, and this is where we're actually going to use these comments, and you'll now see how quick it can be to go through your classes. So we'll stick with the same subject for now, maths, because we know we've got some comments in there, and we've got our pupils here, and you can see it says here click to add a comment. Now we can just write a comment here if we want to, but we want to pick some of these, so I'm going to pick higher comment, and I'm going to click this comment, and that will be in for Lucy. I'm now going to move on to Peter. I'm going to pick a middle comment. Now I'm going to move to Jane. I'll pick the same middle comment. And then for John, we'll do a different higher comment, this one. And that's it. All of this information is auto-saved. There's no need to click a save button. There is the done button at the bottom there, which you can click on the last comment. But as you can see, as we're moving through, it's saving those comments. We can click the pencil if we want to make some small edits, some small, some additions to this. Put another comment in here, or we want to. We might want to remove this comment here. We might want to edit this comment, add a custom comment here. So we can do all of that from just clicking on the pencil button there. And you'll move through these subjects to complete your comments. If we go back to the dashboard, we should see the percentages have now changed. So as we can see here, we now have 100% completion in maths, and we can view that obviously as the subject, and similarly we can view that from the pupil's point of view. So here we can see that because we've only completed maths, we have a lower percentage here, and we can see that maths is completed down here. The final part for when you've completed your reports is print reports. For the purposes of Alexandra Primary specifically, you don't need to use this section. When you've completed your report, you simply send an email to support@strawberry7.com. Please just provide your name, your class, and what will happen is we will take care of the merging into the existing template for you. So that gives you a overview of how to use ReportBox version 2. Once you've submitted your reports, we'll keep you posted on when the reports are available and where they're available, just so that you can go in and change your pictures and have a look around to make sure that the reports are to your liking. I hope you found this video useful. As always, thank you for watching.